Hi friends, welcome to Exam Study YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the National Education Policy of 2020 which has made a transformational reforms in our education system. First of all, we have to know what is National Education System. It was the first education policy of 21st century which replaces the 34-year-old national policy which was we following. It is the foundational pillars of access, equity, quality, affordability, and accountability. It was announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on July 29, 2020. And the important highlights of school education reforms is ensuring universal access at all levels of school education. That is, they are ensuring the universal access to every level of the school education, and they want to make an adult literacy and life enrichment programs are some of the proposed ways for achieving this. And the early childhood care and education, that is, what we are following school curricula is 10 plus 2 year structure, but it is replaced by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 curricular structure corresponding to the ages of 3 to 18 years respectively. The planning and the implementation of ECE will be carried out jointly by the Ministries of HRD, Women and Child Development, Health and Family Welfare, and Tribal Affairs. And attaining foundational literacy and numeracy. That is, the aims at foundational literacy and the reforms in school curricula is the vocational education will start in the school from 6th grade and will include internships and multilingualism. This policy gives more importance to languages and they want to teach the students the power of language. And these are the some of the important points which was given by our government. And school governance, schools can be organized into complexes or clusters, and it's the basic unit of governance and ensure availability of all resources. And higher education, there are changes in higher education too, which is increased GER to 50 percentage by 2035. They have given that in the year 2035 the GER, that is the gross enrollment rate, must be from to 26.3%, which is now, and to it must be increased by 50 percentage by 2035. 3.45 crore new seats will be added to the higher education institutions. And multidisciplinary education, that is, they have reformed that each and every student have to be given by multidisciplinary education. For example, certificate after 1 year, advanced diploma after 2 years, bachelor's degree after 3 years, and bachelor's with research after 4 years. These are the reforms. And regulation is the Higher Education Commission of India will be set up a single overarching umbrella body for an entire higher education, excluding medical and legal education. And architecture, institutional architecture, that is, the aims at giving the higher education institutions will be transformed into large, well-resourced and high quality, providing teaching, research and community engagement. The institutions that range from research intensive universities to teaching intensive universities and autonomous degree granting colleges. And teacher education is the new and comprehensive national curriculum framework for teacher education will be formulated by NCTE. And financial support for students will be given also. That means efforts will be made to give the students belonging to SC, ST, OBC and other SEDCs merit. And open and distance learning, about this they play an significant role in increasing GER. So this policy also supports open and distance learning. And online education and digital education also will be supported by this policy. And the promotion of Indian languages, that is, this policy gives more importance to languages like Indian languages like Pali, Persian and Prakrit. And professional education is all professional education will be an integral part of this higher education system. And standalone technological universities, health science universities, legal and agricultural university will aim to become multidisciplinary institutions. And adult education, the policy also aims to achieve 100% youth and adult literacy. And financing education, the center and the states will work together to increase the public investment also. Uh, These are the main important points of this national education policy, and it was the first education policy of this 21st century. And they expect that there will be more education and India will become a more and literated country after 2030. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.